Good morning. Welcome back to Parsnips and Parsimony. This is the week of the wedding, and my plan is to film every day leading up to the wedding. So the wedding is on Saturday. The rehearsal is on Friday, but today we're supposed to have her final dress fitting. Not sure how that's gonna work out because snow, and more snow. We're looking at about 7 inches so far, and it's still coming down. Don't get me wrong, it's absolutely beautiful. Not so good for trying to get around in though. It is currently 10 o'clock. Her fitting is at noon. The roads are a disaster. So I'm not sure how it's gonna work out with everybody getting to where we need to go for the fitting. I don't even know if the bridal store, the static this year is so bad. I don't even know if the bridal store is open today. So we got some hoops to jump through to find out if that's gonna all work out and how that's gonna work out. On top of that, and I know, look at the static, guys, this is awful. On top of that, a very large percentage of my children are sick. So I'm not sure how everything's gonna play out. We're hoping that we will all be well by the end of the week, and surely they should be, right? But it's, you know, we all knew that we were gonna be sick sometime in January. My hope was it was gonna be about 2 weeks ago and we'd all be over it. But that's not the case, and apparently this is going around and we sound like a TB ward currently. I'm hoping it's all gone by Saturday. Hannah is our newest case this morning. She doesn't seem too awful, but she is coming off a week. If you watch my previous videos, she is coming off a week of fifth disease, teething, and some sort of stomach bug. And now she has this virus. So it could be a really interesting week. I will say last night she actually slept from 1 until we woke her up about 8:30. So that was a great night of sleep. Last week she was up almost all night, every night. So the sleep is good. I'm just not sure how long it's gonna stay like that, but I'm going to look at the positive side and be thankful for what sleep we did get last night. So we got to get the show on the road if we're going to make it to the bridal appointment. And well, first we need to find out if they're even open. So last week, Art and I were going room by room. I wouldn't say thoroughly cleaning, but at least making sure everything is as clean as it's going to get with just the chaos going on. And so the last room that really needs to be done is the kitchen. And this kitchen gets so much use and abuse. So I'm going to tackle that. Hannah just went down for her nap, and I'm going to tackle the kitchen. I doubt it's going to stay clean for very long, but at least for my peace of mind, I will know that it was clean at least once this week. Our company will start arriving tomorrow, Tuesday night, and then we'll be arriving out of town throughout the rest of the week leading up to the wedding. So much of our company will be coming through Western New York, and there's supposed to be just snow all week. Really awful for driving. I mean, we've had beautiful weather for the last 3 weeks, and then boom, this week it's like snowy. So our company will be arriving starting some tomorrow night because tomorrow the weather is good. Then we're expecting another large storm on Wednesday and Thursday. Weather clears out for Friday and Saturday, and then Sunday we're expecting more bad weather. So our company is coming in and trying to come and leave between the snowstorms. So the first thing I'm going to tackle is this side with the sink, and this is the before. I'm going to go ahead and set my timer for 15 minutes, and we'll see how far I can get in 15 minutes. So this is 15 minutes, and it's better. Not perfect. Give it another 15 minutes to see if I can finish it up. collection. Gizmos and gadgets from the boys and art, including an oiler. Okay, not totally done. I'm going to just wash up my draining rack, but better. And it's lunchtime. I'll finish that up and then I gotta start lunch for everybody. It's almost noon, but it's a good start. I think the rest of the afternoon I should be able to finish this up with it shouldn't take too long. Okay, that's much better. I even shined my sink. Fly Lady would be proud. They'll get dirty in just a minute, but at least it's clean for 5 minutes. Wow, my mom and dad just sent me a text. Look at this. You guys see that? That is an ambulance. That is the front end of an ambulance. It says that they had an accident today and the whole front end totally blew up. Everybody's okay, but we have people. I know people from here, so wow, scary, really, really scary. Peter has gone out to do some more snow shoveling and removing. Isn't that amazing?
Is that our ambulance?
No, it's Malta.
Oh.
So that's going to affect all of us.
Everybody's still coming to the wedding.
Yes, as far as nobody was hurt, but it's certainly going to affect our district because now they're going to be down a whole ambulance.
Right. And they lost supplies.
Yeah. Wow, that is intense.
Did people get burns?
Doesn't say. Wow. It says happened 7:45 this morning. The ambulance was taking a patient to the hospital.
Oh, wow.
Hit a box truck. Slid into the ditch, caught fire after the patient was removed. Oh, I'm so glad. Wow. That's dramatic. I put lunch in the oven and I'm going to cook up some hamburger. We're going to do a crock pot meal. This is, I don't know, you guys I'm sure have made it before. It's just hamburger, potatoes, peas, tomatoes. It's really easy and I'm gonna let that cook all afternoon so I have dinner and I don't have to worry about making more of a mess. But I'm gonna cook up the hamburger right now. Now hold the camera nice and still.
And now it's snowing outside. I'm going to take a video of it snowing. Okay, hold it steady and move your fingers. Now just see, does it come? Is it coming? No, I don't see it.
Just don't wiggle it. You can't wiggle it.
Now we were outside, playing outside. And now this is the snow.
Colin can't look. We're gonna go set the dress up and get it all set. So I accidentally misplaced my camera. It's 4:30. But dinner is in the crock pot cooking away. I think I showed you that earlier. And it's looking good. It's got about another hour to cook here. So that's cooking away. This has been staying pretty clean. Now I'm going to just tidy up some of this area. Kids went out in the snow today, so hats and mittens. Reality. But I want to try to get the rest of this cleaned off. I need to cook those 2 squash and that pumpkin, so I might work on that next. And then tidy up here. I'm not going to do the floors until after dinner. I got that all neat and tidy. Didn't even take 2 minutes. 2 minutes. And I've been holding on to these, just thinking I use them, but the reality is I don't use them. So I'm going to pass them on to someone who else can. Over this past year, maybe even 2 years, really, I feel this need to simplify. Just less is truly more. And if I'm not using it, I'm getting rid of it. And I'll tell you, it has helped so much with just keeping things a little bit more tidy around here. And just like those wire racks, cookie racks, baking racks, I'm not using them. So why am I keeping them? For the what if? Well, I'll tell you, I'd rather have the space than the what if. And if there is a what if, it's probably only going to be a one-time what if. And if it's really that necessary, I'd rather buy it. And just like that, all good things must come to an end, right? Yes, yes it does. Yes, little Hannah's awake for her nap. How are you, Hannah? Are you a happy girl? Yes. Say, I'm almost 10 months old, and I'm almost walking. Can you say that? I'm almost walking. I'm gonna go ahead and feed her, and then I will be back. She is still nursing several times a day, aren't ya? But she's doing really well with her food. She likes a lot of different things. The peas, not such a big hit on the peas, were you? But you like squishing them between your fingers. You thought that was fun. But she eats pretty much everything. Yes, she likes her eggs. She likes her cheese. I bet you're gonna like tonight the potatoes and the hamburger. She's probably gonna gobble that up, right? Yeah. But she is doing very well. She's, I think, 16 and a half pounds, growing like a stinkweed, ready to walk. She'll just stand there on her own, won't you? And yeah, that's a little Hannah update. But I will be back after I finish feeding her, and we're gonna keep working on the kitchen. Let's see, what can we give you, Miss Hannah? Oh, here's another train piece.
Okay, this is my
That one's gonna go here. Hi, Hannah. We're really doing some deep cleaning of the stove here. This thing's a workhorse.
Yeah.
And it shows too.
Yes. And it's dirty. It's really dirty.
It hasn't been deep cleaned since all of our kitchen stuff. From all the produce, Art.
What stuff?
The produce. The garden.
From last year?
Yeah, this fall.
Yeah, it's been a while.
Where are the stones?
So not everybody is with us tonight for dinner, but we have roasted squash that I cooked the other day. And then this is like an Asian stir fry. Then this is the food we cooked earlier, and it looks really good. And some
we have
fruit.
candles burning.
And we have candles for good on. Wow, that one's burning fast, Art.
Yeah, it is.
So the kitchen isn't totally done, but it's pretty good. Say hello.
Hello.
Hello, Daniel. In the mail came today a few things that I ordered, last minute things for the wedding. One of them being, I don't know if you guys can see this, old-fashioned gloves. I am wearing an emerald green dress with a black fur shrug, and I wanted to wear gloves with it. And then I also bought a hat. And I am a hat person. I know I don't always wear my formalish hats because I don't usually vlog on Sundays, but let me try this on for you guys. I don't know. You guys can't see, it's too dark. Woo! It'll go something like that. It's kind of perched on there.
Can I see one?
What do you think? Do you like my hat?
Weird.
It's weird. Well, be glad you don't have to wear a hat.
I like a hat with scratches on it.
You like a hat with tractors on it. Well, I don't think that would be very appropriate for the wedding.
That would be really good. I know. A black scratcher hat.
A black tractor hat. And then also for the girls' hair, the florist who's doing all of our flowers for us, she put together a bow. So we tried that. We like that. So we're getting there, making good progress. But I think I'm going to end the vlog here. I need to edit and get a video up for all you guys so I can get you guys caught up before the wedding. But just a little sneak peek of what's coming. I'll be filming once again every day this week leading up to the wedding. So if you're new here, welcome. Please subscribe. Watch all the fun activities. We expect our company to be coming in tomorrow and Wednesday and Thursday. It's going to be crazy. But that's it. Thanks for watching today. Hope you're having a great day. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.